happy anniversary sa ating lahat. Kanina sinasabi ko rin kay Dustin nung pumapasok kami dito, parang nag-flashback talaga sa amin pareho yung mga unang times namin kayo nakita paglabas namin ng PBB. So parang sobrang nostalgic lang ng pakiramdam and sobrang sarap din sa pakiramdam because alam namin na marami sa inyo ang nanatili. I mean, we both know that it was really a roller coaster of a ride. I think alam naman natin yung lahat. There were good times, there were bad times, there were times wherein we really had to fight and fight and fight. But you know, honestly, Dustin and I wouldn't make it this far if it weren't for you guys. Talaga, isa kayo sa mga rason at naging motivation namin para gumising araw-araw and para maging better versions ng sarili namin. And I remember, you know, there was a time before PBB na parang sobrang vivid sa akin na wala pa ako ganun karaming supporters or ano na yung ako na umiyak, kaya naman ako umiyak. Basta, I remember parang medyo naging insecurity ko siya for a very, very long time because I felt like baka hindi ako kamahal-mahal na artista or baka hindi ko deserve ng ganong klaseng support system until PBB came and syempre sa loob ng bahay, nag-overthink ka na nag-overthink. And there was a time wherein, tulad ng nilagay ko dyan sa loob ng letter, tinanong ko, lagi kong tinatanong si Dustin kung marami ba nagmamahal sa amin sa labas. Until we met all of you. And, you know, it's a different kind of love that parang ako ang wish ko sa bawat isang tao ay maka-experience ng ganitong klaseng pagmamahal because it's truly something else. And I just want to say thank you to all of you for making me feel so loved, for making us feel so seen every day. Sobrang, it's unbelievable, the kind of love that you give us. I could say that it's really unconditional love. Kaya naman, again, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo for those who stayed, for those who fight for us every day. And again, tulad ng sinabi ko sa letter, within us, guys, you will always have a home to come home into. So, we love you guys. We love you so much.
Thank you, Bianx. And thank you so much, Dust Bia, for giving all the love and